Hi, this is Danielle, the domestic scientist. In today's video, I'm presenting a crystal clear tablescape. So the purpose of this tablescape is to highlight crystal features and also nice transparent glassware. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is use my glass top table, just because, well, it wouldn't be crystal clear without it. I'm going to use a rose gold charger from Hobby Lobby, and I love the pink shade that it gives. I'm then going to place a dinner plate on there. This is from 10 Strawberry Street, and I bought a pack of 4 of these from my Tuesday morning store, and it was really affordable, so I like that. I also used this beautiful deep pink napkin. I bought this from eBay, and those are originally from Sonoma. I couldn't believe somebody wanted to part with those, but I was so excited to get them. I love the deep pink color because I think it adds a rich color to the table, and I think it's an interesting pattern at the bottom. I used a Pearlized salad plate that I purchased from Home Goods, and those are one of those Turkish glass ones, and they look like a pearl or a capiz style finish, so I really like those. And then I used the smaller appetizer plate from Elle Home Decor, and I also purchased that from Tuesday morning. Now, to top off my place setting, I used a square glass votive, and I have these little like crystals that look like diamonds, and then I just used an orchid at the top. I love the way the place setting came together. So for my centerpiece, I used this beautiful crystal vase that I purchased from a thrift store many years ago. It's really heavy and it's a substantial piece. I absolutely love it. And one of my favorite parts about it is that it has these tulips etched in it. And so I think that it adds just a nice, lovely touch, and it photographs very well. So for the centerpiece, I just put a mix of florals that I had in my home. Because I used the deep pink napkins and the deep pink orchids on my place setting, I did want to make sure I put in my deep pink tulips just to tie everything together. And so I kind of made a mixed centerpiece, a mixed floral centerpiece. So I'm really liking the way that it's coming together. So as I look around the table from different angles, you can really appreciate the beauty of transparent glass. I think the key to pulling this look together is to really only feature one color, and to make sure that your color is used sparingly, but in a way that gives really good impact, because I definitely don't want to drown out the beauty of all the transparent features. The napkins were the one place where I really went opaque, where I had this huge color payoff, and I just did that because the table looked a little bit washed out without it, and so I wanted to make sure that there was enough color. So trying to strike a balance between how much color and how much transparency to pull together a cohesive look can be a bit tricky, but I think I did okay on it. But let me know what you think in the comments below. So one of my favorite features for this table are the sheer votives on top of my place setting and the stones that are inside. I think that the transparency on transparency adds another layer of dimension to this look, but also it serves as a foundation for my orchids, which now look like they're kind of floating in midair. And bringing height to those orchids kind of helps to break up the transparency, because without it, it just seems like something was missing between the place setting and the top of my centerpiece. So I absolutely love pink, and this table gives me so many shades and varieties of pink. And one of the benefits to using so many shades of pink is that I'm not locked into using this look exclusively for spring or summer. I could essentially use this at any time of year I want, and I can add more elements to the table that are much lighter shades of pink or much darker shades of pink, and that they'll still blend because there's so much pink on the table. The other thing about it is, if I decided I wanted to recreate this look, I can take out all the pink and exchange it for any other color I want and still get the same thing. So I just like the level of versatility that it gives. So I had so much fun on this tablescape, and I think it really shows. I want to take a moment to thank our host for this collaboration, and the hosts are me, myself, and DIYing it, Cynthia, She's So Blessed, Mysterious Alberta, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, and Diva Decorating. So there's going to be a link in the description box to each of the host channels so you can check them out and their work. They also do a lot of collaborations, so if you're interested, you most certainly want to follow their channel. Also, there are a number of other ladies that have created amazing tablescapes on this collaboration, so be sure to check out the playlist to this collaboration, and there's also a link to that in the description box. So now I'd like to hear from you. Leave a comment in the box below and let me know what you think of my crystal clear, I see through you tablescape. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.